welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. Today's video I'll be showing you how to add another Gmail account in Android. So let's say you just want to add in another Gmail, or you created another one and you just want to add it to your phone. All you need to do is go straight to Google, any Google, maybe Chrome. Just click on the profile. Once you click on the profile, you're going to see switch account, and if you don't see switch account, that means it's just one account you have, and you're going to see the add accounts right here. But since I have a lot of Gmails, I'm going to click on this, and you're going to scroll down and you're going to see add another account. Click on add another account, and you're going to input a fingerprint or any password. And once you do that, you're going to actually add in the name of the Gmail that you want to add right here, and you're going to do this, add every details right, and click on next. Okay, I think I made a mistake. Click on next, and you're going to quickly enter the password, and you're going to add in the password. Click on next, and you can see agree, and you wait for it to actually load up. So once it's loaded, you can see you can always add a recovery phone number and also a recovery email. Then you can save. Then it's going to be logged in into your Google account, and you are good to go. So this is literally how to add in a Gmail account to your Android phone. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more input tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.